been working on some KX 125 and 250 stuff. We got some aftermarket parts coming, and we've been doing some modification of some other parts. Spencer Lusac sent over some Pro Pegs, and that's the part number for them, and we machine these to where they fit the Cowie. They seem to be a real good balance, and you know, the KX 250F and 450F current pegs won't just bolt up to the bike and fit right. They'll have a weird angle to them, so we can modify these for 50 bucks, and that way they'll fit on your bike correctly. We've also got some steering stem nuts right here that'll be coming out soon, safety wire drilled, 70-75 aluminum, and so those will be coming out. They'll be about $28. And one of the other things that we sell a lot is the steering adapters. That way you can use any of your current triple clamps off the 4-stroke Cowies and put them on the 2-stroke and use all the new forks. We've got linkages coming. They're in development right now. This is an 03 KX 250, so this generation is different, but that's legit works linkage and knuckle, and we got those coming. So, you know, kind of be on the lookout for some of the Cowie stuff that'll be hitting the website. But we're about to send these pegs back out. Got them all dialed in, and you know, a lot of you guys follow Spencer and his work. His builds are pretty awesome. Catanzaro rode the KX 125 they built, and you know, it was on the Red Bull Straight Rhythm, so it's pretty sick. So just a quick little update, some of the stuff we're working on for the Cowies, and you know, yeah, so check back soon.